Installing cooling baffles or ducts in your extreme flight cowl is a simple two-step process. For the first step, you'll need medium or thick CA glue with activator, and for the second step, you'll need either goop-style adhesive or a two-part epoxy. In this demonstration, we'll be showing a two-part epoxy gun with mixing tip. Begin by installing the cooling ducts into the cowl and giving them a rough basic alignment. Then apply a drop or two of medium or thick CA to each duct to temporarily hold it in alignment to the cowl. Use activator to instantly cure the CA glue. This CA glue is only for the purpose of checking our alignment and fit. Test fit the cowl onto the fuselage with the engine of your choice. Be careful when installing the cowl. The cooling ducts are only held in place by a drop or two of CA and could be knocked loose at this point. When checking the fit of the ducts, we want to be sure the ducts are not touching the engine. We also want to be sure that the ducts point the airflow at the cylinder head. Make any adjustments needed and retry your fit. If you need to remove any of the edge of the cooling duct, this is easily done with some rough 40, 60, or 80 grit sandpaper and a few strokes. Once you're satisfied with the fit of the ducts, apply your final glue, either goop or two-part epoxy. In this demonstration, we're running a bead of two-part epoxy around the ducts using our epoxy gun. Allow the epoxy to cure, and your installation is finished and ready to fly.